Daddy yo yo yo, Buckingham Daddy yo, Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy good day, Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy good day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, you hold am very tight. African money, you know they agree at all. For in G, for in vain, African blood. Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy today, Buckingham Daddy good day.
Which kind of woman is this? See the thing where this woman they roll. Oh my God. How are you? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You look like someone I know.
Really?
Yeah.
From where?
I'm coming. Let me park.
Buckingham Daddy Abiala, Buckingham Daddy today.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pretty woman.
Oh, thank you.
My name is Buckingham Daddy.
My name is
Comfort.
Comfort. Yes.
What a beautiful name.
Really?
Yes.
Thank
You
you.
look like someone I know before.
Where?
I don't know. Anyway, it is just one day that people meet themselves, you know.
You know, here.
Now one day we go know our issue.
That's it. One day. People meet all around them.
Wait till they come. I like you.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like you.
Okay.
As I see you so, if you wouldn't mind, make me and you, make we just take care of each other. How do you feel about that?
You have to analyze it properly. I don't understand. Take care. That's take care. I don't understand.
Make I they look after you, make you they look after me. You understand?
What is your name again?
Buckingham Daddy.
You are funny. You are very
People
funny
say
man.
so. People say
You are
so.
very funny man. This man, eh?
People say so.
Now, wow.
Make I look after you. Make you look after me.
I don't know. I make you explain now where I understand.
You see, as you see me so, money is not my problem.
I can see. I see how.
You can see the car.
I see how.
Money is not my problem. But how to spend the money is just the problem. So people like you, if I handle you with soft hand,
then I'll come help you spend the money.
and then I will pamper you. Come make you look like a baby. You understand?
My body go come change.
You go the glitter. How about that?
I didn't know.
Give me your hand. Very soft hand.
I didn't lock you.
Let me give me your number.
Okay.
Because as you go, where are you going now?
I want to go to that side of this area. I want to walk through this thing here. I want to see one of
Under
my
this
friends.
sun. Let me take you there. From there we go. I will take you go shopping. I go spend money on you. From there maybe we can find somewhere very cool. Make you cooler. Maybe we top life. You understand?
I don't know. I swear.
Give me your number. Make I see.
I don't know that my number for head. If you give me yours.
My own is 074.
Hold on.
074 345 76 112. Enter. Come enter.
I've used it to call you.
No worry.
So it will ring for your place.
It don't dey ring. Na silent
ring.
it dey. It don't dey ring. It don't dey ring.
Yes, don't get
Come enter. Come
Yeah,
enter.
thank you.
Man, you go enjoy life.
Thank you. Thank you. This your car is nice, oh. It's big and nice.
Just enter.
You really have money.
Get money. Money is not my problem.
For you, with this car.
Money is not my
It's a very
problem.
nice car.
At all.
My friend, them go take. Them go take. The level don't change. My level has changed.
Money day. Hey. Comfort.
Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
sir.
my friend.
How are you? Fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. You want that?
Yeah, I want this one.
Choose anything you want to buy.
Okay.
Don't
I
worry.
should choose everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got money.
I know.
I don't see the type of car where they use.
Thank you. I go choose everything.
Yeah, I'm a rich man. I'm a rich man to the core. Buy anything you want. Anything. Hey, comfort. Look anything where you want.
Now you everything. Anything I like.
Where you want.
Okay.
Comfort, comfort. You like that one?
Yeah, I like this one.
Okay.
It's my favorite.
Anything you want, I go buy them for you. Anything where you want. You don't do? You don't want anything like wine or anything where have you? You don't want?
No.
Okay.
That comes to 459, please.
Okay.
Is it a small bag?
Yeah. I'm coming.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. It's my good woman. You don't see? Hey, comfort. Thank you.
Have a good day,
Yeah.
Thank you.
God will bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You know what will happen now?
No.
As we are going to the inside the car now.
Yes.
Get one hotel that corner. Now that place we dey go. Today you go enjoy me.
Let's say your money they talk.
Comfort. You guys ready to walk up? Okay, let's go. Let's go. So have you been? Do you enjoy yourself at the park?
No, it's fun fair.
It's for you at the fun fair. You enjoy yourself? Good. That's lovely.
they know this.
Enjoy yourself.
No, 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 boy.
I don't worry.
You
Don't
come
worry.
on you. You don't use that money. What will happen?
No problem.
You okay?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Let's go. Hey, hey. Hey, comfort. You go and talk to that. You will not say now from here to here. Now I hold on. From here down. Oh my God. Now what?
You be on that 15.
Now what?
I trust you.
Now what? Yeah, I'm going to look after you
Yes,
now.
now.
I'm going to look after you well. Oh my
You
God.
not chop. You not chop.
If you don't chop, me I don't chop.
I like you well.
Hey, if you chop, me I don't chop.
Yes.
All I know be say you go enjoy me well.
Really?
You
Hey.
now today
My
be
life done
today.
better.
Make I open door for you.
Thank you.
Come inside, come and sit down.
Hello.
Hey,
Yes.
be that.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'll do it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now my manager.
Who be that?
Now my manager.
Manager.
My manager.
For what place?
Yes.
What
He
happen?
said me I get 5 hours. Me I can't do am.
Tomorrow.
Not today.
What do you mean today?
Not today now. Just here say they just call me.
Okay, when we come.
No.
enter-
Now I dey go now.
No, when we finish,
No,
for where we
I
dey
don't
go.
fit go there. I dey go work now. From here now I work. I dey go.
Now.
Now.
Wait. When I dey buy things for you for inside that supermarket, your manager no call you then.
I beg.
And now when we just reach here, say make you enter car, make we dey go.
But now.
For where we go enjoy.
But now for your face, my manager call me.
But your phone no ring
You
now.
ring now. Don't be
Which
silent
one?
today. Now silent today. Now I can't carry am. Now me get my phone.
Which one dey for? Let me see whether e dey for silent. Your phone no ring. I no hear phone
Na
ring.
silent today.
This one no be silent.
No, na silent today.
E no be silent. No be
Nothing
speaker I dey see so.
No, na silent today.
This one wey you do, e no good oh.
Wetin no good inside? I say so. Na money I come look for London now. This I come start Ghana.
So, wetin go come happen now?
Looking at that, they go work now. We go schedule until another day.
Which another day?
You don't hear say they go work. I can explain to you. I don't be run away.
So you go come schedule am to another day?
Yes, now. I don't dey go anywhere.
I no go gree.
Hey, children, come.
I no go gree. We must go. You go enter car. You go enter car.
Come.
You go enter car. This car. You must enter. You go enter. You go enter.
Buckingham, Daddy. What are you doing here with my car? Abi, is this not my car? What are you doing here with my car?
No, that shall never end.
No worry. I'll
So maybe you even get this car.
waiting.
When you dey Shakara, you go enter my car. You go enter my car. So maybe you get car.
Waiting.
I don't know. Say.
Hey, be quiet. So you left me alone to take the children to the park, and you're here bringing another woman, telling the other woman that you're the one that owns my car.
Wait. Don't be
I'm
like
waiting.
that. Don't be like that.
Like how?
Now this woman, no.
What did I do?
I don't know what thing I do. Like she used juju for me. All these things where I buy, she just collect them from my
Hey,
hand.
move away
use
from my
it for
car.
you.
Children, get in the car.
Wait,
Give
now.
me my car key. Give me my car
Not
key.
even shame. I use it for you.
Give me my car key.
Continue with this your rubbish.
See, Anderson.
You should be ashamed of
Wait
yourself.
now. Wait, bring the key now.
Buckingham, Daddy, what you're doing is wrong.
What is wrong? Will you shut up your mouth?
Children, get in the car.
Wait, bring the key. So,
Anyway,
I bet-
you meet me at home.
help me beg her now.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Help me beg her.
Going away, we
This
see
one
you
why
at
you dey
home.
laugh? This one why you dey laugh?
I
Better
like it,
stop
Grandma.
now.
I like her.
You like waiting?
Madam, please.
This
I don't know
beg.
what. Please. You should be ashamed of yourself. What are you talking about? You have a wife, a beautiful
Queen.
wife, and children
Queen.
here. Say messing around.
Queen.
Oh, just go, you know. You just hear people's voice.
My
Is
dear.
this where you say you're going? You say you're going to see your friend.
Hey, now, I can't see my friend now.
Wait, you want,
Who is this man?
what do you mean, who is this man?
And the man when I buy my friend.
So because a buyer will not eat.
I beg you something.
I bought this thing with my, that's it, I bought this thing with my money. I bought this thing with my money. Oh.
There's a bigger issue here. The issue is not about her. The issue is how we will go and sort the issue between you, your wife, and the children. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I beg, help me beg him, help me beg him.
You have a very beautiful woman at home. You are going after this. I don't even know what you call her. What is wrong with you?
All the money where I spend. All the money where I spend.
You came to this country to better your life, not to mess your life up. Listen, family is everything.
Okay,
don't mess up with your family.
Help me beg Queen.
I can't talk to her now because
Queen,
she's boiling.
Please.
Queen, I will meet
Queen,
you at home.
please.
Let's just let's go.
Queen, please.
Can you just let's go? Let me go.
Oh my God.